Hello children, hope you all are safe and staying at home. Let us discuss one more topic on atoms and molecules, relative atomic mass. What is relative atomic mass? Come, let's understand. There is an object A and one more object B. A weighs 12 kg and B, we don't know what is its weight. Now, let us compare A and B to find what is B's weight is. Let us take both the substance A and B, place them on a pan in a weighing balance, which shows A is heavier. What shall we do now? Let us cut A into 6 pieces and now compare its weight with B. See, when a piece of A is placed along with B, again also you can find that the piece of A is heavier than B, right? Since we are comparing the weights, now let us cut A into 12 pieces. And now let us take one of the piece and place it along with B and check what is their weight. Now both of them shows they are equal in weight. If we take one piece of A weighs 1 kg, then what is the weight of B? B is equal to 1 kg, is it not? Right. So now we can also say that the B's weight is 1/12 of the weight of A. Why? Because we have cut A into 12 pieces and that one piece was equal to B. See here, 3 atoms of carbon, namely carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. Let us consider now carbon atom 12. Carbon 12, which means its atomic mass is 12. When this is divided into 12 fragments, one fragment is called as 1 atomic mass unit. This is the unit of atomic mass. So what is relative atomic mass? The relative atomic mass of an element is a ratio between the average mass of its isotopes to 1/12th part of the carbon atom. So we can give it as average mass of the isotopes of the element by atomic mass of 1/12th of carbon. Thank you children.